Which ordered pair makes the equation false? Well, here's the equation. X equals 1/2 y minus 1. I guess the thing that you need to be careful of in this one, guys, is typically an equation like this would have y equals 1/2 x minus 1, but this one has x equals 1/2 y minus 1. So you could probably already tell me what you're going to do in an equation like this. You're going to take each of these possible answers. For example, answer A has the ordered pair 0, 2. You're going to replace the x with a 0, and you're going to replace the y with a 2, and you're going to determine if that makes a true statement. And if it does, we don't want that one because we're looking for which of these creates a false statement here. All right, so let's go ahead and do a little plug and chug here. I'm going to erase these arrows that I made because I'm going to test every point. So first we'll start with the ordered pair 0, 2, and we're going to plug that in for the x and the y. So instead of x equals, we'll have 0 equals 1/2. Instead of 1/2 y, we're going to have 1/2 times 2. And then we still have the minus 1. Well, 1/2 times 2 is just 1. And 1 minus 1 is indeed 0. So that checks out. So this ordered pair, when plugged in here, creates a true statement. So that's not the answer we're looking for. All right, let's try B, the ordered pair 1, 4. I'll replace the x with a 1, and I'll replace the y with the 4, and we'll see if that's a true statement. Half of 4 is 2, and 2 minus 1, that's 1. So this one checks out also. So this one's not our answer either. Let's try C, where we're going to plug in a 2 for your x, and we're going to plug in a 6 for our y. Half of 6 is 3. I think we can see where this one's going. 3 minus 1 is 2. So that one checks out also. So we can cross that one out. And the last one, the ordered pair 0, 1, by process of elimination, must be the correct one. We're going to use a different color just to check it, though. But we're just going to make sure. We're going to plug a 0 in for your x. And we're going to plug a 1 in for your y. And see if this is true. Half of 1 is 0.5, or 1/2. And 1/2, or 0.5 minus 1, does not equal 0. It equals negative 0.5. So that does not equal it, and that creates a false statement. So this has got to be your answer. There wasn't actually a slightly quicker way to determine that that was the right answer. If we would have noticed, since A had the ordered pair 0, 2, and that was correct, and the x value was 0, the y value that matched it had to be 2. Well, in this one, it had an x value of 0 also, but it had a y value of 1. There's no way that it could have a different y value, but the same x value. And so we could have noticed immediately, since it's got a different y value, that D is our correct answer. But I still recommend that you check by just plugging in each of the values into the equation. You check every single one to determine that indeed the correct answer is the one that you think is the correct answer. All right. Good luck on that SOL test.